Welcome everyone to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies workshop series on powerful and engaging presentations in PowerPoint. Today we'll be covering Office add-ins. Add-ins function in a similar manner to our previous tutorials on Chrome extension integration and Canva apps. So to start, we'll open a new project in PowerPoint. So by clicking the Insert tab at the top, there's an option for either getting add-ins or managing your current add-ins. By clicking the Get Add-ins portion, you're able to search for a specific app that can perform a specified function. Feel free to search through that here. If there are any add-ins that fit what you're looking for that may have an emoji keyboard or are AI driven, include videos, poll everywhere, and other cool integrative add-ins. Today we'll be demonstrating Poll Everywhere. Some of these programs may require you to register an account with their third-party platform. So where it just said log into Poll Everywhere, because I had previously logged in, it repopulated my login. Once you're in the add-in or the app, depending on which one you're using, there will be a specified user display with different functionality. For the Poll Everywhere app, there will be an option of activities, saved activities, and new activities. So some old activities that I had utilized were these poll questions, multiple choice, where you can see the answers in real time. There are some visual settings as well, and there are upgraded versions of this as well. You could choose if you'd like it to be a column chart, donut chart, or if there's any other forms of customization, aesthetic customization that you feel fits your message delivery better. If you'd like to add new activities, you can click New Activities and explore the multiple choice, word clouds, true or false, rankings, open-ended questions, clickable images, self-paced surveys, and numeric ratings. So this is just one example of an add-in integration in PowerPoint. There are a number of other add-ins that you can explore and download that further your message in a creative and palatable manner that keep your viewers deeply engaged. So depending whether it's polls, whether it's content that you'd like to embed, or other forms of generative content that you would like to include, please feel free to explore that. If you would like any more individualized assistance in exploring this, please feel free to go to adpcenter.org. And once you click Schedule an Appointment, you can see our team members. And by clicking on the individual ones, you can look at our availability and schedule with us. Or you could email us at adpcenter@montclair.edu. And feel free to include the issue that you're having or the custom tailored help that you're looking for. So thank you for attending our workshop. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and we look forward to having you at a workshop in the future. Thank you.